If you look at this question, A and B are two events whose description is given here. Probability of A union B, the whole complement, is 1 by 6. This implies to me that probability of A union B should be equal to complement. Complement and the regular event are related by probability of A union B, the whole bar, is equal to 1 minus probability of A union B. Probability of E bar, okay, complement of an event, that is equal to 1 minus probability of that event occurring, correct? So this answer will be equal to 5 divided by 6. Similarly, this implies to me that P of A should be equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 4, that is equal to 3 divided by 4. Is it right? Now, according to the addition theorem of probability, we know probability of A union B, that is equal to P of A plus P of B minus of probability of A intersection B. So I can say probability of A union B is 5 by 6, probability of A is 3 by 4, plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B is 1 by 4. So 5 by 6 minus of 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 2 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 2, that is equal to probability of B. So common LCM will be 6. 5 minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 3, that is equal to probability of B. Is it right? 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3, that is probability of B. Now if you carefully observe here, see, P of A, that is equal to 3 divided by 4, whereas the probability of the event B is 1 by 3, which means probability of A is not equal to probability B. Therefore, A and B are not equally likely, Equally likely means probability of outcome of both the events should be the same. Only then we call it equally likely. Do you get it? Example, you throw a dice. Probability of getting a number 1 is also 1 by 6. Probability of getting a number 5 also is 1 by 6. Probability of getting any number is 1 by 6. Such events are equally likely. But here probability of A and probability of B are not matching. They are not equal. That is why the events are not equally likely. But as far as the independent nature is concerned, probability of A into probability of B, if we do, that is we get here 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 4. And that 1 by 4 is nothing but probability of A intersection B, correct or not? A intersection B. This implies to me that A and B are independent events. Okay, this is what are the two things which are asked in the option there, independent and equally likely, which means the events are independent. A and B are independent events. They are independent events, but they are not equally likely. This should be the option that you mark.